Sir,
Isn't
it supposed to be 2 meters?
What's that?
Isn't the distance 1.2 2 meters?
Not 1.2.
Because it's 0.8. There's 0.8 as well.
The distance between G1 and A is 2 meters.
It's from G1 to A.
B1, yes. 1.2 plus 0.8. Okay. So we got BY. What do you get? This problem, try to solve it with each side. It's annoying with all the number 2. So I just want to solve one side. Yeah, I mean, you're splitting the weights on 2. Okay. So you got 2 of the BYs because you got 2 sides. Yeah, it's symmetrical. You know what? I have an idea. How about we divide the weight by half? Yeah? So 85 and 60, I'll divide those guys by 2. Cheating a bit. Because I don't want you to get confused with all the 2 BYs and all that. Okay?
Each side.
Yeah, each side. So I'll just divide it into 2 sides. Okay? So 85 divided by 2 and 60 divided by 2. Okay? I want to solve AY because I think I'll need it. Sum of FY. So we have AY plus
I see.
So AY is, what do you get? What do you guys get for AY?
BCF.
Yeah? No? Ini benar nggak? If I divide it by 2. Oh! Okay. I'm just doing one side. Tapi ini bagi 2. Weightnya dibagi 2. Do the math. Do the math on this one. Just do it like this. Yang atas. Kamu lagi gini. Ya? Benar nggak?
Lu ngeliatin gambar yang mana? Bukan yang BCF, yang bukan dalam dari kanan.
Oke?
Itu sama kayak.
AX is 0. So now let's do body FCB. Double check on my math, okay? If anything is missing. Okay, so FCB, I want to have a relationship between CX and CY. I know BY, so I will do sum of moment at. If I do moment at F, I will eliminate Fx and Fy. And the reason I do that is because I will not have enough equation on FCB, right? I know that for sure. I have 4 unknowns. So my strategy is to actually bridge this to this one.
That'd be weird.
Okay? So we will have Cx Cx times, no, it's 1, right? Cx times 1 minus Cy times 1, also 1.5. Okay, this is the distance. It's 1 vertically. And then I have By times 3. Okay? So I will have an equation Cx minus 1.5 Cy equals, yeah, well, 2Cy is you do it with both sides. I'm going to do it one side. Yeah. So, By, is this correct? Everybody double check that?
Sir.
Okay, divided by 2. $307. And this is? Hmm? 40?
06. Oh no, that's BY.
And then we'll continue. I'm going to hop over to this body, which is ACD. Okay? And I'm going to do sum of moment at D. Because I know AX and AY. Right? So, well, I'll be waiting for your calculation. Okay? Hmm?
That's correct.
That's right. Okay. So this is 307 times 3 is 921. Okay. So guys, I have this equation which I cannot solve. But I'm going to hop over to ACD. If I do moment at D, I know AL, AY, and AX. So I can have another relationship of CX and CY, right? So this will be, let's see, plus AY times, what is it, 3? Clockwise, counterclockwise. AX is 0. And then I'll have minus CX times 1 minus CY times 1.5. Okay? Yes?
Isn't one of those CX in the first unsolved part equation, the unsolved one?
This one?
Yeah. Isn't one of those CX or both of them are CY?
Oh, sorry. Need more sleep last night. Okay, AY, CX, CY. We're good? Okay, we know AY. So, I'm gonna move that to the other side. So, 403.5 times 3 equals CX plus CY. So, plus 1.5 CY. So that's my second equation. Okay? So I can solve the two equations, two unknowns. So I should get CX okay, so basically solving two equations with two unknowns. Now, once I have CX and CY, remember my final goal is to solve for FBE. So then, This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So all I need to do is sum of force in the x direction, body, HCD, which is this is CX, right? I'll just write CX minus FDE equals 0. So FDE is equal to CX, which is 1066.8. Okay, so what's new in this problem is that you cannot directly solve for CXCY. You'll need to combine two bodies to solve for CX and CY. Okay, stretch your algebraic muscle a bit. Yeah, Papa, very spread. Questions? Yeah.
So use with
The algebra, you mean? The elimination. You can do elimination. You can do substitution. So CX minus, okay, and then you'll have, come on, this is not an algebraic course. What is that? 403.5 times 3, 12, 1209, 1210, 25. So you can do subtraction, you can do addition, okay? If you add them, whatever, right? Okay. I take it as no questions. Yeah. My strategy is to just do this on one side, and so the weight is divided by 2, left and right. Like, I'm just doing one side of it. Instead of making 2 of everything, I make the weight half and just do 1 of everything. Harusnya ini semua 2 kan? This is 2, 2, like 2 AY, 2, 2 of everything. Of all the variables. Let's do this one. Oh, this one's so easy. You can do this. Okay, draw the free body diagram, guys. EB is a link.
Sir,
Mhm.
just see the wire or?
C is the wire, yeah.
Oh.
So you gotta explode the assembly a bit. This time I'm not gonna draw it for you. This time I want you to try it. Give it a shot. You get the handle. Another handle. You got the cutter, and the link.
Ya berarti something positif.
Oh,
Gila kelas banget nih.
Meeting kelas ya, kelasnya nggak ada pikiran ini kayak USB. Lu beli dua porsi buat satu.
Fokusnya buat dia nggak makan.
Dulu kan aku buat dulu di kok Evan sesama.
Gue udah mau mana ya? Oh, gue udah mau pulang.
Itu nggak masuk.
Besoknya di April.
Baik, ini nggak berapa.
Yes.
Udah ngakalin cuma banyak desainnya yang susah. Dia mau tau ya C itu kan kabelnya semua udah kayak sama dia itu yang paling keras. Bingung bagi orang.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine.
Lu pakai ISO.
Iya.
Kayaknya masih ini mirip yang tadi. Yang susah tuh yang kaki ini yang ekstra.
Gue malah mendingan soal itu daripada ini.
Enggak sih, semua ini sama kayak ini. The fucking sheet is symmetric, so you can just divide it. Just cut.
Langsung aja. Jadi JF ya.
The shape is symmetric. You need to
just
yeah, just hold one side.
Oh iya.
Tapi gampang ini. Harus di Mirip-mirip gitu. Di belakang.
Yeah. This is the distance between the two ends in this direction. I'm trying to figure that out.
Kan ada yang yang ditekan bikin
Okay, ready? Let's do this. Go do it. Please. You didn't do it on your paper. Do a bit. Okay. Help him out, guys. Just draw the free body diagram for both, and then we'll just pick one to solve. Just draw both for exercise. Okay, that's the wire. Okay. It's a link. So that's a 2 4s, remember? Assume a direction. Label the force. Let's call it DE. Because it's the link DE, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What's up next? The cutter, yes. So, yeah. Yeah, please. Includes F. No, includes B, sorry. It's a bit tight.
Includes D as well.
Yes. It's getting smaller. Oh, make it bigger, make it bigger.
Do we also split the weight?
Split in what way?
Like just E itself. The link is E and D and E. Or like say,
Bigger letters, bigger letters. They're on the same horizontal plane, I think. D and B is.
Oh, parallel.
Yeah. Say it again.
no, because the link is E and D are the B.
B, B,
Let's put this one.
Yeah.
Isn't the wire?
Yeah, C is the wire, but then the cutter contact the wire, right?
You only need to solve it.
Take the contact. Okay, and yeah, jaw. Okay, what about the upper jaw? Draw everything. Okay. You want to do the handle? The right hand side. That's A. Well, I don't know, this name is something. The jaws are pinned at E and A. Okay, draw the upper arm first. He's holding it. Okay, you throw the bottom handle.
There's a thing. I'm so scared to draw this for some reason. I'm afraid
It's not gonna bite us.
it's not that it's gonna bite. It's what I'm not thinking about it for now.
Along. Yeah.
It's not if the drawing's gonna bite me up or if it's similar, it's gonna bite me. Okay, now you see why I'm speaking.
What's kind of joke here?
One way to interpret this now, but I was getting one is for this.
Are you drawing the lower handle or the upper handle? He's doing the lower handle. It's fine, just draw the point.
Fire aspect dulu. I feel like this is harder than
I'll change that.
Okay, point F is also a pin.
Yeah.
Well, it's not equal and opposite to BX, BY, but it's up to you how you want to achieve it. Well, yours has to be consistent with yours. Right?
Maker, Rito,
Okay. Spock, you know, and
I got five, but I just I thought you were character for the pockets.
you don't have to imagine it. You can assume anything on F.
I will.
As long as your
I will.
point F on U has to be equal and opposite, right?
Because it's cold in here.
Okay? That's it. Okay, thank you. So let's solve the equations. Thank you. Our unknown. Let's see, what's our unknown? Determine the force that the jaw exerts on the metal cutter. So, Cy. Right? So Cy is our unknown, and our known is here
External forces.
or here. So we can pick one. Okay, I'm gonna pick the upper. I'm gonna pick the upper one. Okay. So what do you suggest we do? No, you guys can solve this. Come on. We have 4 unknowns, but we don't have to deal with all of them. Remember? So if I do a moment at, you pick it. Which one you want to do? Are you more interested in solving Fx, Fy or Ax, Ay? Huh? Why? Because Fx is not going anywhere, right? But Ax, Ay, right. So we're gonna do some moment at F. So we'll have Ay sine of 20 well, depends how what we already deal with. So Ay is vertical. We define it to be vertical. Okay? And so A is slightly offset from it. So you have clockwise, and the moment arm, I have to draw this. Right, you have 20 millimeters. This is 20. Okay? And the angle is also 20. That's 20. So this distance is 20. Okay? And this is also 20 degrees. So our distance will be this, right? So that's a triangle. This is 20. And this is 20 degrees, so this is 80 degrees. This is 20. I want this side.
Should it be surface? On the triangle, should it be 70 degrees?
Oh, I need my coffee. Right? So this triangle, 20, this is 20, this is 20. This is, so either 20 sine 20 or 20 cosine 70. Take your pick. Okay? Either works, yeah. Okay, so that's the moment arm distance for AY. And then you have AX. It'll be counterclockwise, so plus AX times 20 cosine of 20. And then you'll have 200. This is 200. We need to figure out the distance from 200 to F. Okay? So, this is A, this is F, this is the point where we have 200. Trying to find out what's the easiest way to do this. So this is 400. Okay. I'm gonna do this distance, which is 400. This is 20, right? Which is 400 cosine of 20 minus that tiny piece, which is, what was it? 20 cosine 70. Or 20 sine of 20. Right? So this is 200 is clockwise. The moment arm will be 400 cosine 20 minus this 20 cosine of 70 equals 0. Now, I do know AX is 0 if I do a FPDL. If I do a free body diagram of this one, okay? If I do a sum of force in the x direction, what do I get?
AX equals
AX is
0.
0. So that helps, right? So from this, I can basically solve AY. Okay? So I got AX and I got AY. All I need to do is, I'm going to do the upper jaw again, right? Which is, what figure do we call that? CEF. Which is the upper jaw. Okay? So, what do? I know AX and AY. I want CY on this body. Huh? Sum of force in the Y, but I don't know FDE. Right? If I want to get around that, I do a sum of moment at E. So we have CY times, what's the distance? 30. And we have AX is 0, AY 10.7 times, what's the moment arm for AY? to E. This is the pivot point. This is A. Equals 0. And so CY is 28. Okay, how are you doing? See, if you want to solve everything, you'll be lost. But you need to be strategic. You need to combine different bodies if you have too many unknowns like this, right? I mean, here I cannot solve for that. If I do sum of force in the x and in the y, it's also not helpful, right? The only way I know AX is 0 is if I go to this body and I say, hey, if I do a sum of force in the x direction, I know AX is 0. And so that helps me with that. Yeah, I have a bad feeling about this.
Me too.
Okay, so the final example consists of this type of problem. Two of them,
And one.
and one from the trusses. Either method of joint or method of section. Yes.
Written or oral?
Written. How can I do oral exam with this many people?
Said it was oral. Said it was oral.
Said it.
2 hours. He said okay.
Said it was oral.
Don't give him ideas. Don't give him ideas.
Okay? Well, I've enjoyed teaching you guys for the semester. Thank you for the participation. I'll see you on
Jadi sama
Baik, kita bareng ya. Mau bareng ya.
It's all online. I'll upload this. I already upload this one. You guys have the solution manual? Like,
I don't think-
some of you have it.
I do not think we do.
What I would be careful if the textbook's official solution manual. Sometimes they do it differently than I do.
Bukan di sini. Kalau yang
Physically packed. No, I am industrial. Jujur, wait.
angle-nya udah pas kamera. Dia belum lihat komponen.
See?
The equation will depend on the direction, right? Especially the plus minus.
The 20 score is painful, but I tried to reattempt it for myself.
Anytime you have roller support,
So I
you know the
did
direction
extra
of that
practice.
because it
That's a
only
reattempt.
supports one way. Like the floor cannot pull you down because
I
it
did.
can only support
I
up.
managed to get
So
to it.
start from the rollers, I guess. But
start from the joint.
Wait,
but you know, even if you get the
I
roller
have to warn you,
direction
exam
wrong,
on 19th December.
you'll get a negative.
Getting worse and
as
worse.
long as you're consistent,
Okay.
you should still be fine.
So it doesn't. Okay.
That's good. Final exam is
Oh, just get
No problem.
what are your problems?
It's not oral. When we get the idea, it's oral. It's written. It's written exam, guys. It's an exam.
Yes,
Oh, you scored?
I have to do the whole you also like
You need to be ready.
Who doesn't get this?
Me.
Tapi
Me. Didn't get the.
oh jangan bisa kalau gitu dalam dia nanya nggak gitu ya iya atau enggak jangan aku jawabnya ini gitu kalau salah beda
yes. You said it not last. You said it
I mean, I can post a solution, but you can
Berdua di situ.
I also want to take picture for reference.
dia nggak diajarin dia nggak diajarin dia ngajarin coba diajarin mereka
Satu soal itu bisa sampai 40. Satu. Kok bisa sih?
tapi kan 3 slide lah
Paling dalam gue nggak pernah
saya terus dari dia kalau nggak jawab di kelas ya iya
gue nggak ngerti terus gue nggak tahu mau nanya apa like this is the only subject and gue nggak understand
I don't know. I'll, yeah.
I don't think